We've been driving around.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. TionnaMichelle here. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to be cleaning the master bedroom and bathroom. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
We just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our life.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to start off by cleaning the bedroom today. I wanted to give the bedroom a fresh new look. So I'm going to be installing a new lamp. I'm going to change some things around in the room a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
On this day that I'm cleaning, it's like a day or two after Christmas, so that's why you see so many boxes on the floor and on the bed. Okay, so right now I'm gonna put this lamp together. I ordered this lamp off of Amazon probably about a good month or so ago, but I wanted to make sure that my room was clean before I assembled it. So here I am assembling the lamp. I thought it was gonna be a little bit taller, and I thought it was gonna come with an actual bulb cover, but it didn't come with a bulb cover, so I'm gonna have to probably get one from Amazon. But I'm just putting in one of these bright LED lights that I also purchased from Amazon. I like the way the light looks, but I think I'm gonna change the type of bulb that I have in it to see if it looks better. Essentially, it's a desk lamp and not a room lamp, but I just like the style of the lamp itself. So if you're interested in the lamp, I will put it down in the description box below. So now that we're done with the bedroom, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my bathroom. I am removing a lot of the decor from the vanity just because this vanity is a lot more smaller than the vanity in the front bathroom. And I just wanted to give it like a more aesthetic, clean look. So I won't have much decor at the end of the video for the vanity. And I think I'm just gonna leave the mirror itself and a few pieces that I picked up from Ross. I'm using this Lysol bleach spray, and this stuff is strong. The next time I'm using it, I'm going to use a mask. I should be using the mask in the first place, but this to me is a little bit stronger than actual bleach itself. It seems like double bleach mixed in with that glass cleaner. This glass cleaner is from the Dollar Tree, I believe. These are both very, very strong, so I advise if you're using any of these, you should use a mask.
inside. Blah, blah. You tell me all the right things left and right. That you say what you wanna say. Time machine 타고 시공간을 넘어. Oh yeah. Diving 점점 내 마음이 너라는 리듬에 춤을 춰. 'Cause boy you make me feel brand new. Look at me now. I love you through and through. It's true. 더 가까이 와. Boy there ain't no other way. 나를 정했어 난. Marching to the beat of my own drum here on. Doing what I gotta do. No other frequency. Channel elevate. Oh yeah yeah. 이미 걷잡을 수 없는 느낌도 설레임. Falling hard. 'Cause boy you make me feel brand new. Look at me now. I love you through and through. It's true. 더 가까이 와. 'Cause boy you make me feel brand new. Look at me now. I love you through and through. It's true. 더 가까이 와. Oh yeah. 이제 나에게 달려와. 그댈 보면 나를. 'Cause boy you make me feel brand new. Look at me now. I love you through and through. It's true. 더 가까이 와. 'Cause boy you make me.
If there's one part of the bathroom I despise the most, it's probably the toilet. To me, it's just really disgusting for obvious reasons. I try to clean it and wipe it down at least every day because my son does use this bathroom. For whatever reason, he doesn't use the bathroom up front. He chooses to use the bathroom in my room, and because of his medical condition, he does splash a lot when he goes number 2. So I try to clean it at least every other day and wipe it down with the disinfectant wipe at least once a day. To clean the tub, I'm using this Clorox device that I purchased from Target. I thought it would make cleaning the tub a little bit easier. As you can see, this tub is very wide and large. It didn't really help that much. I eventually had to get in the tub, and essentially I was flying. It looked like as if I was flying. I didn't show that part, but I had to get down and dirty with this tub. And you can also see that the tub is peeling. I'm gonna have to put in a ticket with maintenance for them to come and repair the tub. They're just gonna have to repaint the entire tub. Now I'm just installing these racks that I got from Amazon. I do have some in the front bathroom. I didn't want to take those off because the kids can use it themselves, so I just purchased some new ones. These are a little bit smaller than the ones that are in the front bathroom.
I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Ooh, I'm in love with you. I think I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love.
Okay, so these are the acrylic shells that I'm talking about that I purchased from Ross. As you can see, they're $3.99. I did want something different, but they didn't have it in Ross, and I didn't want to wait to order anything off Amazon, so I just used these, and as you can see, they're pretty cute. I couldn't remove the stickers, but I'll do that later.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
That is going to be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. And I will see you guys on the next video. Happy New Year.